Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and Dlaminis. Not Unomfundo risking his relationship, not going on a date that he had planned nomuntu wakhe, but being an ear for Usibalukhulu. At this point, I think Uguti Usibalukhulu, all the kids are going to be his. He's just stressing out into feeling the medicine of his own, the pain of his own medicine, the medicine of his own pain, or you know English, right? But with that said, Unomfundo was there, she was a shoulder to cry on. Ugirl was there for another man's wife, but eyakhe indoda beyi-odile iyenze kube kuhle imele ukuthi eze baye on a date, but Ugirl did not pitch. Yet again, Ugirl chose baby daddy. I think the storyline is gonna get us there where Ulo athathis thembu and then the wife has to accept and all that. But yeah. Ukwenzo was approached by usiswakhe uwenzeni amtshela ukuthi how you treated uSibongile, how you spoke about the relationship with uSibongile was just something else. Like really, you cannot say ukuthi she doesn't exist, and Ukwenzo told her ukuthi no, you don't understand how media works. But he also had another interview where he expressed ukuthi not everything is from his father. Some things are who he is, you know. He's a man on his own. He's independent on his own. So that interview this time around went that direction, which made ubaba wakhe ukuthi akhala athi lo mfana lo ufana nami ncamashi. Uvelaphi was comforted by ubabakhe because Ugirl is disappointed with the wedding not happening. Abuza ukuthi kanti why don't good things happen to me? Nan. But ubaba wakhe wamupha i-business idea ukuthi you know what, your mother started such a business, continue with that business. You've got a child to live for. Indoda, yes, you love it, but indoda is not everything. I like how Uvuma is always there for Uvelaphi, even though Uvelaphi is a child nje othi short left most of the time. Usangweni ke yena uye short left lokugcina, uyabhema, uyaphuza, uthengisa illegal things. I think he's gonna find himself in prison, and yet again Uvuma will have to pick up the pieces of a child that is not even his. Yes, he raised that child, but the way bamdelela ngakhona and the way they always remind him ukuthi awusubaba wethu is truly painful.